Good morning and welcome to Beyond PMP. Today we are going to go over 10 PMP mock questions. These questions are based on PMBOK 6 and 7, so you can expect a mix of hybrid, agile, and conventional project management. Let's dive in. So question number 1. A change request to fix a schedule issue with the project is initialized by the PM. What could possibly be the status of the project? Here are the options. A. The SPI is less than 1. Option B. The SPI is greater than 1. Option C. The CPI is less than 1. Or option D. The CPI is greater than 1. So you might want to pause the video here and reread the question and try to figure out what could the answer be. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is answer A, option A. Since the project has to be behind schedule to issue the request, the SPI of this project must be less than 1. I hope you got it right. Let's go to question number 2. So question number 2, a PM or a project manager has observed that one of the supplier is not meeting the requirements of product specifications. This is the second occurrence of non-compliance and is causing delay in the project progress. What should the PM do? The options are A. Wait for the next shipment and see if the product meets the specifications. Option B. Review the vendor contract. Option C. Invite the vendor for a face-to-face meeting to discuss the issue. Option D. Issue a non-compliance report to the vendor and move forward with the project. Again, pause the video here and try to solve this question. Okay, so the correct answer to this question is option C. Communicate with the vendor in a face-to-face meeting and emphasize on the need of product compliance. Let's go to question number 3. 3 new members have been recently added to an Agile project without proper project-specific training. What should the PM do to bring the new members up to speed? The options are: do nothing. The new members will learn on the job. Option B, have the new members shadow the original members and ask the original members to help and guide the new members. Option C, arrange a self-paced online training for new members. Option D, ask new members to ask the original members for help. Pause the video and try to solve this question. Okay, so the correct answer to this question is option B. Since you are the PM, it's your responsibility to ensure that every member of the team is trained. Since it's an agile project, so you might want to allow the new members to shadow the original members. I hope you got it right. Let's go to the next question. Question number 4. A PM is leading a very critical agile project that has remote members from different countries. In order to promote cultural sensitivity among the team, what should the PM do? The options are: seek formal training from PMO, travel to every country to understand the culture yourself, allot some time every week to understand each member's culture, or option D, have general understanding of local customs and be flexible. Pause and try to solve this question. Okay, so the correct answer for this question would be option D, that have general understanding of local customs and be flexible while working with this team. So let's go to question number 5. A team member has identified one new risk that could affect the project progress. As a PM, you want to refer additional details about this new information. What document or documents should you refer to check if this risk is new? The options are A. Risk register and risk management plan. B. Issue log. C. Risk management plan and risk report. D. Risk register and risk report. The correct answer for this question would be option D. You want to refer the risk register and risk report to find out if this new risk is even new or it has already been identified. Question number 6. An activity in a project can be done as per following. So we have a best case scenario of 5 days, worst case scenario 25 days, and most probable scenario of 15 days. Using triangular estimating technique, how long will it take to complete the activity? The options are 10 days, 15 days, 28 days, or 22 days. Pause and solve this question, reread it, and try to have the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question would be option B. Since they asked for triangular estimating technique, so instead of using A plus 4B plus C over 6, the triangular estimating technique is sum of all the cases divided by 3. So that comes out to be 15. So answer B is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Question number 7. An organization has moved from traditional to agile methods and is now conducting its first agile project. The newly appointed product owner would like the team to prioritize the features as soon as possible so they can start the sprints immediately. What should the PM do in this case? So the options are A. Have the team prioritize the features. Option B. Do it yourself. Option C. Inform the product owner and the team that feature prioritization is not needed. Option D. Ask the product owner to do prioritization by himself. Okay, so the correct answer to this question would be option D. Since it's an agile project, the prioritization of an activity or a feature should always be done by product owner. Let's go to the next question, question number 8. A product deliverable has failed acceptance testing. The sponsor says that the deliverable was not created as per the original scope. What could have the PM done differently? The options are: had the team prepared the scope statement. Option B, do nothing, projects fail sometimes. Option C, had a scope management plan in place. Option D, had a risk management plan in place. Take your time, read the question again, and try to come up with the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question would be option C. Since the sponsor says that the deliverable was not created as per the original scope, the PM should have had a scope management plan in place. The next question is question number 9. A team working on a hybrid project is frustrated with the customers due to constant changing of project scope. When the team completes a release, the customers will then ask for work to be redone again and again. This has led to major delays in the project schedule. What can the PM do to prevent this from happening while the project is in progress? The options are A. Ask the sponsor for help. B. Inform customers that no change can be done to the project once the scope has been approved. C. Have the customers be a part of daily stand-up meetings. D. Ensure customers are invited to the sprint review meetings for feedback. Pause the video, read the question, and try to solve it. Okay, so the correct answer for this question would be D. Let's go to question number 10. A company is creating a new technology product. The PM has verified that the component work packages have been well defined. Which estimating technique should the PM use to obtain an accurate cost estimate of the deliverable? The options are A. Bottom-up, B. 3-point, C. Parametric, or D. Analogous. Okay, so the correct answer to this question is option A. I hope you learned from this video. These are some real examples of questions that you can expect in your PMP exam. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.